Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 11th standard mathematics chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.4. Now problem number 16. If x cos theta that is equal to y into cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3 that is equal to z into cos of theta plus 4 pi by 3, then find the value of xy plus yz plus zx. Right, let it be in number 1. First I consider cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3. Consider cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3. We know that 2 pi by 3, for converting that radian into degree, write 2 pi by 3 as it is and multiply by 180 by pi. This is for converting radian into degree. Pi get cancelled, 3 table, 60 times 60 into 2, that is equal to 120 degrees. That is equal to cos of theta plus 120 degrees. That is equal to cos of that 120, you can write 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. 90 plus 30, that is equal to 120 plus theta. Right? I have written theta 30 degree plus theta together. So what form it is? Cos of 90 plus theta. Instead of theta we have 30 degree plus theta. Now we can go for ASTC concept. For ASTC concept, look at the first angle, 90 degree. For 90, cos becomes sine. Already I told you, for 90 and 270 have to change cos into sine. Instead of theta we have 30 degree plus theta. Right? Then 90 plus lies in which quadrant? Here 90 degree plus lies in second quadrant, sine and cosecant positive. What is here? Cos, therefore it is negative. Again I tell you, 90 cos becomes sine, write the angle 30 plus theta. Then 90 plus lies in second quadrant, you know very well, sine and cosecant only positive. What is here? Don't look at this one. What is here? Cos, therefore it is negative. So we have to introduce minus over here. So minus sine of 30 degree plus theta. That is equal to minus, let it be, sine of a plus b. You know that sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. The next page, right? That is equal to minus of sine 30 degree cos theta plus cos 30 degree sine theta. Since sine of x plus y formula, sin x cos y plus cos x sine y. Here x equals 30 degrees and y, that is theta. Minus of sin 30 value 1 by 2 into cos theta as it is, cos 30 value root 3 by 2 into sin theta as it is. Over. Now can go for that. Cos of theta plus 4 pi by 3. Now consider cos of theta plus 4 pi by 3. Consider cos of theta plus 4 pi by 3. Now we can change that angle, the representation of angle in radian. I am going to change that radian into degrees. So 4 pi by 3 right as it is, then multiplied by 180 by pi get cancelled, 3 table, 60 times 60 into 4, that is equal to 240 degrees. That is equal to cos of theta plus 240 degrees. That is equal to cos of 240, you can write 180 plus 60 plus theta. So 60 plus theta together. Now look at the first angle, 180 degree. For 180 and 360, cos becomes cos only, no change at all. Instead of theta we have 60 degrees plus theta. 180 plus lies in which quadrant? here we have 180 degrees. 180 degree plus lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant, tan and cot only positive. What is here? Cos, therefore it is negative. That is equal to minus cos of x plus y, cos of x plus y, that is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Here x equals 60 degrees and y, that is equal to theta. So cos 60 cos theta minus sin 60 sin theta equals minus cos 60 value 1 by 2 into cos theta minus sin 60 value root 3 by 2 into sin theta. Now can multiply by minus. First multiply these two, because minus into minus plus root 3 by 2 into sin theta minus 1 by 2 into cos theta. Therefore, equation 1 implies, what is here in equation number 1? X cos theta equal to y into x cos theta equals y into cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3. Here it is. What is the value? Minus half cos theta plus root 3 by 2 sin theta. Minus half cos theta plus root 3 by 2 sin theta. That is equal to z into cos of theta plus 4 pi by 3. Z into theta of cos of theta plus 4 pi by 3 value, here it is root 3 by 2 sin theta minus 1 by 2 cos theta. I consider as k, say I consider as k, just we are assuming that x cos theta equal to k, which implies x cos theta, that is equal to k, which implies x equals k by cos theta, k divided by cos theta. Like that, y into this entire expression, that is equal to k, y into minus half into cos theta plus root 3 by 2 into sin theta, that is equal to k, which implies y, that is equal to k divided by minus half cos theta plus root 3 by 2 into sin theta. Next, finally, z into root 3 by 2 sin theta minus half cos theta, z into root 3 by 2 sin theta minus 1 by 2 cos theta, that is equal to k, which implies z equals k divided by root 3, this one comes to the denominator, sin theta minus 1 by 2 into cos theta. Therefore, you are asked to find out xy into yz into zx. X value, that is k divided by cos theta. Y value, here minus in the denominator, you can keep that minus in the numerator. You will be getting minus k divided by 1 by 2 cos theta plus root 3 by 2 sin theta minus k divided by 1 by 2 into cos theta plus root 3 by 2 into sin theta plus y into z, y here it is, that is minus k divided by half cos theta plus root 3 by 2 sin theta into z, that is k divided by root 3 by 2 sin theta minus root 3 by 2 sin theta minus 1 by 2 cos theta plus z into x, z here it is k divided by root 3 by 2 sin theta minus 1 by 2 cos theta into x, that is k by cos theta. Now we have to simplify. This is cos theta. Okay, that is equal to, here I multiply that numerator. Before that, k by cos theta, right, as it is, minus k divided by, here 2, here also 2, the common denominator is 2. Write the numerator cos theta plus root 3 into sin theta plus minus k divided by, here we have the denominator 2 as common, 2 into 1 into cos theta plus root 3 sin theta into here also we have 2 in the denominator, there is a common denominator, 2 root 3 sin theta minus cos theta plus k divided by 2 is common, 2, that is root 3 sin theta minus 1 into cos theta divided by k by cos theta. The next step, you can multiply the numerator, k into minus k square, 2 comes to the numerator, so we can write one more step. Straight away we can write, particularly this expression comes to the numerator, we will be getting the reciprocal, 2 into k, 2k, can directly write 2k divided by cos theta plus root 3 sin theta. I write one more step here, listen, k divided by cos theta as it is, k divided by cos theta as it is, 2 comes to the numerator, 2 into minus k minus 2k divided by cos theta plus root 3 sin theta minus 2k divided by cos theta plus root 3 sin theta plus, here also 2 comes to the numerator, 2 into minus k minus 2k divided by cos theta plus root 3 sin theta into, here 2 into k, 2k divided by root 3 sin theta minus cos theta minus cos theta plus, here also 2 comes to the numerator, 2k divided by root 3 sin theta minus cos theta into k divided by cos theta as it is, k divided by cos theta equals, here we have k by cos theta, here also we have k by cos theta, take it out, at the same time we have 2k, here also 2k. So right, I take only k by cos theta as common. Between these two I have taken k by cos theta as common, we will be getting minus 2k divided by the denominator. We do one thing, 2k into k, 2k square, here also 2k into k, 2k square, I take 2k squared as common. If I take 2k square as common, minus 1 in the numerator divided by cos theta plus root 3 sin theta plus, we have taken 2k square as common, so only 1 divided by root 3 sin theta minus cos theta. Already I have taken this cos theta as common. Plus into minus, plus into minus, minus 2k into 2k, 4k square divided by 2k into 2k, 4k square divided by root 3 sin theta plus cos theta, root 3 sin theta minus cos theta. I write in order, root 3 sin theta plus cos theta, root 3 sin theta minus cos theta. Into root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equals 2k square divided by cos theta as it is. Can take LCM, or look at both the denominators are different, you just cross. Minus 1 into root 3 sin theta is minus root 3 sin theta, minus 1 into minus cos theta, that is plus cos theta, plus 1 into anything, same thing, we will be getting cos theta plus root 3 sin theta whole divided by root 3 sin theta plus cos theta, root 3 sin theta plus cos theta into root 3 sin theta minus cos theta, root 3 sin theta minus cos theta, minus 4k square divided by, write as it is, root 3 sin theta plus cos theta into root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equals 2k square divided by cos theta into, here minus 3 root 3 sin theta plus root 3 sin theta get cancelled, cos theta plus cos theta 2 cos theta divided by root 3 sin theta plus cos theta into root 3 minus sin theta, root 3 sin theta minus cos theta. You can apply the identity a plus b to a minus b, or else write as it is, root 3 sin theta plus cos theta into root 3 sin theta minus cos theta minus 4k square divided by, right, the denominator root 3 sin theta plus cos theta into root 3 sin theta minus cos theta. Here cos theta get cancelled, 2k square into 2, that is 4k square, 4k square divided by the denominator, that is equal to 4k square divided by root 3 sin theta plus cos theta into root 3 sin theta minus cos theta, minus 4k square divided by the denominator, minus 4k square divided by root 3 sin theta plus cos theta into root 3 sin theta minus cos theta. Look at that, these two are same, in between what sign? Here minus, so both get cancelled. What's the answer? 0. That is the value of xy plus yz plus zx. Problem number 16 is completed. Then I will be teaching the next problem, that is problem number 17, in the next video. Thank you, children.